In this lecture, I will talk about SQL query language, that is also called as data retrieval language, or famously known as select command or clause. Basically, when we say query language, it means we are talking about data retrieval language. So now we will learn about retrieval part of SQL. So these are the clauses that are used for writing queries for retrieval of data. So I will pick up all these clauses and I will explain you. A query is written using these clauses and they are written in the same order. We write them in the same order. Alright. So what does each mean? I will show you that. See, this is the database that we have already created. So I will write down the SQL queries for this database, retrieving data from this database, that is students table or a department table. So let us start from select. See, along with the select, we must use from also. Without that, we cannot form a query, complete query. Select is used for specifying the columns of a relation that we want to retrieve. Means we have to mention the column names. Like you want roll number or you want name, what you want, you have to mention that. And from is used for specifying a relation name, that is table name. You want it from a student table or a department table. So we have to use these two together. So directly I will execute the queries and explain you and show how to use these two. So let us go to SQLite prompt. Here, first of all, I will open database, that is unif database. Okay, open unif. Now I will say select name from students, semicolon. So I want to select column name from students table, students relation. So it will show all the names of a student. All the names, like there are 15 rows I have already inserted. So those 15 names it is showing. Ajay, Vijay, Ramesh, Sunita, Anita, so on. Right? Now I want name as well as roll number. So first I want to print roll number, comma, name. So I have used up arrow key to get the previous query and I have just modified it. I will read it out. See, select roll number, comma, name from students. Then enter. So it is showing roll number name for all these students. There are 15 students. Then next. If you want more, roll number, name, as well as if you want city, you can mention city also. Or if you want department number, you can mention that also. So now I am showing all the columns. So when you want to show all the columns, you don't have to mention all the columns. You can specify star. Just mention star. It will give you all the details, all the columns. So select star from means, star means I want all the columns from student table. So it will show all the rows, all the complete data. So you will get the complete table. Select star from table name. Now similarly, if I write select star from DPT, so I'll get all the rows of department table. So it will show all the columns. There are only 2 columns here. Now next thing about select. See, first I will show you select DPT number from students. So I want to see just department number from students. So if you see this table, entire table, I will read out the department number. Ajay's department number, roll number 1's department number is 10, then 20, 10 again, 20, 30, 40, 30, 30. So the same values I got. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 30, 40, all the department numbers of all the students from student table. Now, if I say select distinct DPT number from students, so I will get distinct department numbers, unique numbers, like 10 is repeating many times, so it will appear only one time. 20 is repeating many times, so it will appear only one time. So distinct is the clause or a keyword that you can use for removing duplicates. Now similarly, if I say select name from students, okay, I'll get all the name. Ajay is repeating 2 times and all other names are unique. Ajay is repeating 2 times. So if I use a clause distinct name, then Ajay will be shown only once. See, after Vijay, in between Vijay and Ramesh, one more Ajay was there. Here you can see. So it is removed because we said distinct. So along with select clause, you can use distinct and you can get just the unique names or unique values. Alright. See, if I say distinct name comma DPT number, then what happens? Let us see. See, it is showing both Ajay, Ajay 10, Ajay 20. The reason is the entire row is not duplicate. They are distinct in terms of department number. They are distinct. Suppose this Ajay's department number is also 10, then it will show only one. So when you are using multiple columns, then it will treat the two rows as duplicate only if all the values are same, not just one value. Alright, not just name or not just department number. If both are same, then it is duplicate. Alright, so usually we use distinct with just one column, right? And we use multiple column only if there is a possibility of duplicate in all the columns. So this is about select clause as well as from clause. I have shown you select as well as from clause. Now let us look at other clause. See, we have finished with select as well as from. Then join is related to from only. We will come to it afterwards. Next I will show you where. See, this where clause is used for specifying condition upon any field, one or more fields or one or more column. So this where clause is used for filtering rows. Filtering rows means you can remove some rows and show only those rows which are satisfying the condition or predicate. Similarly, we say select clause is used for filtering columns. If you say star, it will show all columns. If you say just name, it will show only name. So select clause is for filtering column and where clause is used for filtering rows and showing only those rows which are satisfying this condition. Let us write one of the condition and show you, then I will talk more on this one. So here I will write a query, select star from students where, after from students, after this next clause is where, right? I am not using join, so the next clause is where city is equal to Delhi. So it is showing only those students whose city is Delhi. So it has, actually table is having total 15 rows, but we have filtered them and taken only those which are satisfying this condition. So city is equal to Delhi, right? Then I will show one more query. City not equal to Delhi. See, not equal to can be written as less than and greater than together. Alright. So not equal to is written like this. So it is showing all those students who are not living in Delhi other than Delhi, right? So for Delhi we got 3 and these are remaining 12 rows. These are all 12 rows except this roll number 1 and 4 and 14, it has shown all. So using where we can specify the condition. I will give one more condition. Select star from student where DPT number is greater than 30. So it will show only those students who are in the department 40 or 50, but we don't have any row for 50. So only for 40 it will show. Yes, you can see that the department number 40 is shown here at the last. So only 3 students are there who are in the department 40. There is no student belonging to department 50. I have not inserted any row. So that's it. Department number greater than. Or if I say greater than or equal to 30, then semicolon. So it will include 30 also. So this is how you can specify the condition here by using any column name. Alright. See, with where clause, we can specify the condition using less than equal to, greater than or equal to, that is single equal to, and not equal to, that is less than as well as greater than. Then after this, these are all relational operation, comparison operations. Now, if you have multiple conditions, then you can combine them with and or, and or, right? You can combine like this. And also you can use not for negation of a condition. Then the other operators that you can use is, you can use another operator that is like. You can write it in lower cases also, like, and you can specify some string here. And you can say between, okay, between some value and some other value. So you can get those rows which are satisfying this range. You can mention like here 10 and 30. So you get all those rows which are in between 10 and 30, satisfying the some condition, like department number between 10 and 30. So 10 and 30. So 10, 20 and 30, you get these departments. And you can also use in. You can use not in. So I will show you all this. Okay. So let us look at all these operations along with where clause. So and, or, not, I will show you. Then like, between, in, and not in. All right. So let us look at it. See, I have written previous query as select star from students where department number is greater than 30, and this was the result. So here I will say and city equal to, now you can see there are two students from Lucknow who are in 40. So city equal to Lucknow. So it is showing only those students whose department number is greater than 30, as well as city is Lucknow. So it is satisfying both the conditions. Both. And means both the condition must be satisfied. So you are already aware of and, or, not, that in Java you learn. Now as a programmer you are well familiar with this. So I don't have to explain what does it mean by and, or, and not, right? So you can frame the conditions now. So from here there is a condition, you can write and, or, as well as you can not. All right. So you can say not also, not like city is equal to Lucknow. So it is showing Delhi student, Kolkata student, Jaipur student, Bangalore student. So from the previous query, Delhi, Lucknow, Kolkata, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bangalore. So except Lucknow, it is showing all. So department number should be greater than 30, but he should not belong to city Lucknow. So you'll get only those students. So you can make use of not like this. Now next, I will show you this one, like and between. Here, select star from students where clause, right, where name, like a, then percentile, then close. So it will show only those students whose name is like a, then after that a whatever may be there. So it means those students whose name is starting with a. Yes, these are all starting with a. So can I write like this? First percentile, then Y. Means the name is ending with Y. Yes, Ajay, Vijay. Yes, their names are ending with Y. So you can use this condition where name, like, percentile means any number of characters. And at the end, Y must be there. So even I can say like this, any number of characters in the beginning, then letter M is there, then any number of characters. So it will show only those students whose name is having letter M. Yes, Ramesh, Michael, Verma, Sharma, they are having M in their name. So it will show only those students who are having M in their name. So we are saying here that any number of letters before M, any number of letters after M, but M must be there, right? So that's how you can use this like. Then let us look at between. So select star from students where DPT number between 10 and 30. So let us see the result. Yes, it is showing for 10, 20 as well as 30. All the students who belong to these departments. So I will change the range. Instead of 10 to 30, I will say 22, okay, 40. So now the range is, it will show only those students who belong to department 20, 30 as well as 40. So department numbers between 20 to 40. So you can use this. Then instead of department number, I am using up arrow key to get the previous query, right? So select star from students where roll number is between 5 to 10, semicolon. Oh, I did a mistake here. Yeah, instead of and, by mistake I wrote 2. So between 5 and 10. So all the students between 5 and 10, so you can see these roll numbers. That's it. So this is how you can use like and between. Now the next thing is in and not in. Okay, that's the last thing. So let us see how to do that. Select star from students where city in Delhi and Jaipur. See, whose city is in this list? So you can mention the list of cities here. Only those students who belong to Delhi or Jaipur. So now see this, Delhi, Delhi, Jaipur, Delhi. So these are the students who are living in Delhi or Jaipur. And if you say not in, just up arrow key, and instead of in, just say not in. So you get all the students other than Delhi and Jaipur. Alright. So if there are more than one cities, then you can use and also, right? Where city is equals to Delhi and city equal to Jaipur. You can write like this also. I will just reframe this one. City equal to Jaipur. Okay. City equal to Delhi. And in between them you can write and. So with this also you get the same result. So city came 2 times. I will remove it once. Yeah. Now. So you can see the result. See, so, oh, sorry, this is not and, it should be or, means either in Delhi or in Jaipur. It cannot be both, right? So now you will get the same result. So instead of using in, you can also use or and write multiple conditions, right? If you have list of cities, then this will be better. Using this will be better. Some 5-6 cities, then you can write this. Right? If the data size is very large, you have some 5,000 student record and you have to write 5 cities here, then instead of writing the condition every time for all of them, like Delhi or Jaipur or Hyderabad or Kolkata something, you can use in. This will be better. So that's it. We have completed where clause. So I have shown you select, then from, then where. I have to explain you order by, group by, having as well as join. So let us continue it in next lecture. Okay, otherwise the lecture will be very lengthy. So I suggest you make sure that you have created the database and then practice all these queries by yourself, right? So I have shown you one example for all these. And if you get more ideas, if you practice this one, then you can write your own queries also. See, first of all, practice this one, then only go for the next lecture. All right. So you should be good enough in this area so that you are able to write any type of SQL query, then you can understand it further. So that's all in this video.